What's up, everyone? This is Crown Chrysler in Ventura County. Today, we're taking a look at a pre-owned 2019 Hyundai Elantra SEL with a Symphony silver exterior color and a black interior color. With 88,278 miles, one owner, clean CarFax, no accidents. With a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, a six-speed automatic transmission, with 28 city and 37 highway MPG, front wheel drivetrain, wireless phone connectivity, split folding rear seats, lane departure, fully automatic headlights, Apple CarPlay, security system, a 7-inch primary LCD screen, backup camera, remote keyless entry, 16-inch alloy wheels, and more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Chrysler in Ventura County, and you just previewed a pre-owned 2019 Hyundai Elantra SEL.